In introducing the new 20K construction, we wanted to look at the science of skating, the biomechanics of every stride. So looking at power skating, forward flexion, looking at the backwards movement when a player is skating. We want to take all of these elements and really bring the pro performance to retail. What is pro performance? It's about power transmission, utilizing all of the necessary components, mixing flexion and stiffness in the right areas to maximize the progression of human power throughout every stride. We were able to do this by introducing a key element called a dynamic support system. This includes three key elements that are important in the skate: power transmission, the second being agility, and the third is fit accuracy. All of these elements put together are going to provide the best performance with the Reebok 20K. The dynamic support system, DSS, has introduced a great element to maximize power transfer. What we've done is we've created these composite embedded zones in key specific areas of skate to help the skate in every possible way. There's a lot of stresses put along the facing area where the eyelets in every flexion motion are put under severe duress. Now what we've done is we've reinforced the top three eyelets in order to maximize pressure and also maintain support and stiffness along that area so that the player has maximum in every stride. We have a second key element of embedded composite on the skate. It's the key area of the spinal zone. Fibers oriented in 90 to 0 degrees provide a greater range of flexibility and control. We've created these fibers wrapping around the heel of the player's foot. The Pro Armor Skate Quarter construction, the cornerstone behind the 20K skate. Now this construction was redesigned and re-engineered to provide reinforcement throughout that quarter package. Embedded inside this quarter package is monofilament as well as the embedded composite areas. Metal mesh and all of these elements put together provide a recipe that holds the player's foot in place, allowing him to maximize every stride when he's playing. This is the ultimate in skate quarter construction. In our development lab, as well as on the field, we've tested and retested every component on this skate, therefore creating a recipe and a reason for every single element that we've incorporated into this complex skate construction, which is a 20K. Using design and development resources, we've put it all together to put the optimum skate construction together. In our Reebok lab, we have a severe battery of tests that we conduct in order to maximize the durability and function of every skate. Some of the tests that we've included are puck impact, flexion test, importantly the tendon flex as well. We've also introduced a new cut test which is more severe, and we've also gone to the eyelet pull, which is an important component of durability. All these tests in the goal of creating the best construction with high-end durability and performance. A key performance element in skating is fit accuracy. It is so important for a player to have a skate that holds their foot in place in order to maximize performance at every stride. We've included three key elements in maximizing this fit accuracy: the pump, the skate lock, and our general fit that we've incorporated into the construction of the 20K pump. The proprietary pump technology is great technology for hockey players today. It allows the player to have great fit accuracy and customization to their own foot every time. By inflating the pump bladders, you're able to have the air circulate around the person's ankle, providing great heel lock every time he puts on the skates. And this gives him greater performance and greater energy transfer in his stride. The skate lock is a very unique element carried on the Reebok skate line. It allows the hockey player to maintain separate lacing between the top and the lower portion of the boot. There are two key lacing zones which are important: the lower lacing zone and the upper, which allows a player variability and fit accuracy for his playing style so that he's able to maintain that skating stride every time. Some additional elements to fit accuracy which are really important. One is our liner that we use. We have a tacky nash at the heel with a durable clarino. This element is great because that liner holds the foot in place and really keeps you snug inside the boot while you're playing. One more thing that's really important is the proprietary last that we use inside the skate. It's something that we've designed and developed and continue to master, and allows the hockey player to get a great fit and a perfect skating stride every time. Agility is an incredibly important portion of playing hockey. There's forward flexion and backward flexion. Both of these key elements have to be incorporated into the construction of the skate in order to maximize a player's skating stride. An important element in agility is the back tendon. The myth out there is that this part must be stiff and hard, but I want to dispose of that myth by looking at some biomechanics of skating. In full stride, as well as when a player is doing sharp turns, you're going to see that his leg's going to push back on this back tendon. Allowing that movement, the player is going to have more blade on the ice and therefore maximize his agility when he's skating and turning. A key component in forward flexion is the skate tongue. Ours is composed of 3 layers: the external lace bite protector, as well as the internal EPE foam construction, which helps protect the player, and a prerequisite for pro players is the internal felt portion. Put these 3 elements together and you have a skate tongue that provides flexion and protection and the necessary fit that the player is looking for. Our entire goal is to create the best construction and most durable skate that we can put out on the market.